Hey now. I saw you. Are we going to fly? Alright, want me to go without you? I'll go. Okay. I'm taking off, guys. Bye bye!
I'm already up.
You won't be for long. Means that I'm faster than you are. You are pretty quick, but you're not quite as fast.
As he falls farther and farther behind.
Oh, that won't last long. Don't worry. Okay. Quite low. Okay.
Okay, we'll see how quite low is. Oh my God, that's so low, it's killing me. Oh.
Woohoo!
All right, Ned, I admit, that was low. That was good. God, you guys are really showing off here.
All right, Ray, let's see that.
What?
You know, low pass, one on top of the other. How's that?
We did that.
What's that? That was the lowest pass I ever saw.
That was mine.
Badass. Snake man.
He was so low till my low pass was over him.
God, you're scraping the gear doors. Jesus Christ.
Crazy.
You don't like that red paint on the bottom, huh? Need a little lighter shade of pale.
Sheesh! Crazy guy!
Alright, I'm gonna do that behind him. Down one low pass.
It's gonna be ugly if you touch.
So, okay, so after your pass, I'm doing a downwind too, guys. Downwind pass from the left.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Downwind pass from the left, guys. They're clear, right?
Wake up!
Jump up!
Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it.
Crazy jet jockeys.
That's right. Good Lord.
Good Lord. Oh, nope.
I thought I was.
Nate is flying like a madman. All right, whoever that hawk is, I might be going under you. Nope, maybe not.
10, 9.
Just gotta make you giggle.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Alright, I'm gonna land on the
1.
next one.
Okay, low pass from the right. Screaming low pass from the right. Can you believe that's a 30C pack?
Wow. Something must have gotten way better, like the motors.
I changed it. I changed the. Well, it's an FMS fan in there. The same one that's in the Hawk is in this.
Nice. God almighty, he was scraping.
That was the best low passes I've seen, man.
Yep. And we have no video in the.
I might have gotten a couple on my hat cam, but we'll see.
I saw the low pass.
Oh no, Caster's back. Oh shit.
I'll be done. Pass, low pass from the left.
Wait a second. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Leg up. Oh, it makes me giggle.
Hey, Ray.
Yo,
The funny thing is, my pack's not even warm.
I believe it. Something about that plane.
Something about it. If I wreck it, I'm buying it again. I may even buy it again if I can get it for the same one I got.
Oh, it's awesome.
Dude, I have to do this for 11 minutes.
I think I might
one to have, yeah. No, it's brand new. All right, I'm doing a gear pass, then coming in from the right.
I wish I had video. I'm out of card. I filled up the card.
Landing from the right. Okay.
You want me to ask him to wait a minute so he can get up without... Oh, I'm waiting until he's done. I'm waiting until he's done? The gas?